In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use multiband compression to control your vocal sound in such a way that you can have a crisp and consistent, great sounding vocal throughout your track. When we're mixing vocals, we're often dealing with muddiness in vocals in certain sections, and other sections we don't have that problem. So we need something that is going to be adjusting throughout that vocal performance to be able to end up with something that is really consistent. So regardless of where the vocal dynamics go, you'll be able to control that vocal. But before I start, please like, subscribe and press the bell for future content and help support my channel. Thank you. First, I'll play you the track so you can see what we're working with.
No need to rush, 'cause I ain't gonna worry. Any moment my sorrow is bound to disappear. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
So as you can hear, there's a lot of low end happening in the verses, and there's a lot less of that in the choruses because he starts singing higher in there. The only thing that I've applied to these vocals is a standard preset from my vocal channel strips pack, which if you're interested in that, there's a link down below. And all that's doing is a slight bit of compression, a little bit of EQ, taking away some of the rumble on the low end and adding a little bit of sibilance at the top end. And there's also a de-esser on that to just control that sibilance slightly. So first I'm going to set the 4 bands that I'm going to be using. So the first one is Sibilance, the second one is for Nasal, the third one is for Boxiness or Muddiness, and the fourth one is for the low end. Then I'm going to set each single one of those bands with a really hard knee and a very quick attack and release, so that it becomes almost that we can't hear any reductions from this compression at all. So do the last one and set that like that. Once that's done, we then need to set the frequencies of each single band. So the first band is your Sibilance. So that's anything from between 5.2, 5.3 to about 7, 8K. So that sits there.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
And as you can see, that real sibilance sits right at the top there. So let's just check that we're happy with that with the solo. That sits great for me, so that's just the sibilance. Then we're going to go on to the nasal, which is this one. So nasal usually sits anywhere between 1.4, 1.5 till about 6, 7 sometimes. So we're going to just roughly put it there and see what that sounds like. I'll start that a little bit earlier.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry. Any moment my sorrow is bound to disappear.
Right, so disappear, you can clearly see that disappear starts from about just under 2K. So I'm just grabbing a little bit more of that. Let's listen to the solo on that.
Bound to disappear.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with that for the nasal sound. And then next we're going to be looking at that real boxiness that you get in vocals. So boxiness usually sits from about 200, 210, all the way up to about 1,000.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry. Any moment my sorrow is bound to disappear. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you. And then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you. And find the
That's really, really nice. That sits nice. I might reduce it just a fraction more. And then we're looking at the low, and the low always sits from anywhere from 80, 90, and usually vocals don't really go below 100 really. So let's have a listen to that.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry.
Yeah, especially on those low notes. Bound to disappear. That sits.
Is bound to disappear.
Yeah, it sits right in that pocket. So that's definitely that real low end. Now that we've got our 4 bands set up with their frequencies, we're going to start reducing using threshold and ratio. So let's have a listen.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry.
So we don't want the sibilance to be reducing when he's singing.
Any moment my sorrow
only when the sibilance comes
is
in.
bound to disappear.
So it's almost like a de-esser. It acts pretty much the same. So let's leave that there for a minute. So now let's have a look
And
at
then I
this
have to
nasalness.
face the emptiness I feel inside without you, and find a way to make it through another day.
Right, so that chorus is a lot more nasally than the verse, and that's because he's pushing the vocal. So let's have a listen to the verses and see how this nasal reacts to what I've just done here.
Wishing things were clear, no need to rush, 'cause I ain't gonna worry any moment my sorrow.
Okay, so listening to that, it's reducing at a nice ratio. And if we go to the chorus, it's reducing a lot. But we don't want it to drop too much in relation, because in the chorus, it's dropping so much, we're then losing that clarity in comparison with the verse. So what I would suggest is that we push the verse slightly, so that when the chorus reduces, it reduces at the same ratio, but not as much, so that the sound difference between the verse and the chorus stays more similar.
Wishing things were clear, no need to rush, 'cause I ain't gonna worry.
So on the I don't want to worry, we're getting that worry still coming out, but the I is really dropping out, as you can see that.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry.
So if anything, that sits a little bit too strong. So I would reduce the ratio on that slightly, so we get less of a reduction on
Wishing
that.
things were clear, 'cause I ain't gonna worry. And
That sits nice. Let's listen to the chorus.
sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you, and then I have to face the emptiness.
Okay, so that nasalness sits nice. We just need to look at the boxiness. And the boxiness, I think, needs to... Let's have a look what happens if I start reducing it.
Staring out of my window,
So there's a lot of boxiness there.
thinking about tomorrow, wishing things were clear.
So let's listen to the chorus on the boxiness.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better.
Okay, so that's too much reduction. So I would say keep that, but just have the reduction less. So keep the threshold where it is, so it reacts to the same bits, because it's not picking up too
Thinking
much
about tomorrow.
in the verses. And the verses are quite warm, so you need to keep some presence, because we're going to reduce some of that low end on the verses because they're so round, because we want more on the chorus. So we need to be careful we don't reduce this boxiness too much, because otherwise we're going to end up with nothing left. Let's have a listen to that again.
Staring out of my window, thinking about tomorrow, wishing things were clear.
Yeah, we could still remove a bit more boxiness.
Thinking about tomorrow,
That's too much.
wishing things were clear.
See, thinking about tomorrow reduces.
Thinking about tomorrow.
Right, compared to the chorus.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better.
Yeah, it's still a little bit too much. So I would reduce it a little bit less, and then I would push it in the verses. And the reason I say that is because the chorus is going to be reducing quite a lot of that boxiness, but there's less reduction in the verses, so it's only a few lines. So we want to kind of compensate for that by boosting them in the verses slightly, and then having them reduce the same amount in the chorus, so that we get a better balance.
Thinking about tomorrow, wishing things were clear, 'cause I ain't gonna worry.
That's nice. And then chorus.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you, and then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you.
And now let's look at the low. And I think we're going to have to reduce the low in the verses to be able to boost it enough in the choruses, because the choruses are going to be a lot thinner. So let's see where we are with that.
Staring out of my window, thinking about tomorrow, wishing things were clear.
Right, I'm going to reduce the range a little bit on
No
this,
need to rush,
so that we can drop it a little bit more.
'cause I ain't gonna worry.
Right, so you want to reduce quite a lot of that low
Any
end.
moment my sorrow is bound to disappear.
Okay, and then because when we get to the chorus,
sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
yeah, a bit less.
And then I have to face the emptiness.
Okay, so we're getting less of that low end reduction in the chorus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boost the chorus to give the chorus a bit more body.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you. And then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you. And find a way to make it through another day.
So then let's compare that with the verses.
Staring out of my window.
See now that comparison between the weight in the chorus and the verse sits much better.
Staring out of my window.
I would say though that this boxiness we're reducing a bit too much, so I'm going to reduce the ratio on that a little bit more. I just feel it's a little bit. The problem is once you do it too much, it starts sounding a little bit muffled. So that's exactly what we're trying to get rid of. But it becomes a bit fluffy sounding. So you want to keep that presence in there.
Staring out of my window, thinking about tomorrow, wishing things were clear. No need to rush. Sometimes I tell myself, hooray, about you, hooray, elf, hooray, elf.
See, even with that really harsh singing that he was doing, and it's not very harsh, but that harshness in his tone is completely disappeared in that chorus now.
Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
So overall, it sits much tighter. So if I then just play the vocals without the multiband on, let's have a listen.
'Cause I ain't gonna worry. Any moment my sorrow is bound to disappear. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
Right, and then we're going to try it with it on.
I ain't gonna worry. Any moment my sorrow is bound to disappear. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you.
Much better. It sounds a lot more consistent.
And then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you. And find a way to make it through another day.
I would say the only other thing I'd say is that that low end can be reduced a little bit more in the verses. So we could set the range a little bit less as well, and a little bit less ratio, but a bit more threshold. So it works quicker, but less.
Staring out of my window, thinking about tomorrow.
And without.
Staring out of my window, staring out of my window.
Yeah, it's a huge difference. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.